Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Explorer rear wiper. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. First, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blade for your vehicle. You generally won't need any special tools, perhaps just a small flathead screwdriver for some models. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before you begin. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into a raised position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or release clip. Press this tab and then slide the old blade downwards or sideways off the arm. Once the old blade is free, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the glass to avoid it snapping down and potentially damaging your window. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. This ensures a safe and effective installation. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. Before hitting the road, activate your rear wiper and spray some washer fluid to test its performance. Ensure it sweeps smoothly and clears the window effectively without streaking. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice any signs of wear or reduced performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.